makes Fiona de Ramos unstoppable?
By joining here in this pageant, I feel like I already won.
And the Miss Madrid 2025 is Pagadian!
I am eager to, to grab that crown because I think this is 1 year nagkaroon ng rest ang Miss Madrid Philippines. And right now, ako na ata ang susungkit ng corona.
If there's one thing that the world needs more of today, is the people who can be the voice of the voiceless. And I thank you.
Fiona Pasco de Ramos, Pagadian City.
I am voiceovers. I am freelance host. If I were to describe SB Madrid in 3 words, that would be authentic, grounded, and unstoppable.
I am Fiona de Ramos representing Pagadian. 50!
To my beloved Pagadian branch, representing you is an honor I carry with pride. To my dearest POC, Miss Urse Polinar, thank you so much for your trust and for your constant support. I promise to give my best, to stand with grace and integrity, and to make you all proud along the way, and to give the Miss Madrid Philippines 2025 crown in the satellite branch, which is Pagadian. I am confident enough to give my true self with the journey of Miss Madrid Philippines 2025. My dedication and passion makes me unstoppable.
Bini Babe Muse Award goes to Pagadian!
Our people's crown jewel, Pagadian! Pasok ka na rin sa ating top 10 Miss Pagadian!
But if there's one person who truly inspires the most, it would be myself. I believe that we can only be the only instrument to be the catalyst of change so that we see the beautiful things in the world and be that Philippines worth living. And I thank you.
I am the next Miss Madrid Philippines 2025 because I am born to be ready.
Our third finalist goes to Miss
Pagadian!
To all the beautiful girls out there, maraming salamat for the bond. I will miss all of you, and I just want you to know that I am proud to each of you. You are all incredible. You are all beautiful. Thank you. I love you all, girls.